Why does your scanner show the P0771 engine code? What does it mean? P0771 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid E performance or stuck off. It indicates a performance issue or a stuck-off condition, potentially causing issues with shifting gears. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift solenoid E. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Electrical issues. Transmission valve body issues. Internal transmission problems. Dirty transmission filter. Faulty torque converter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Honda, Mazda, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.